Okay, so I have here Photocard 101 Custom Books BTS. Let's open this. Oops. It's nice. Should I open like this? Oh. Like this. And like this. So it has its own photo binder. And this is the group picture. Should I use this one? Then I have it here like keychain, photo binder. No, it's not binder.
For null card.
For null card. My friend is teasing me. She's here beside me just watching. Just watching me unboxing. Ang hirap naman ito. Oh boy. Okay. Oh my god. Ang dami. Should I? No, it's okay. So, why it's 101? Maybe it's 101 photocard collection. Should I open this? Ta-da! No. Okay. Let's do it. Cute. Jimin, RM, J-Hope, Suga. Oh, I like this. Ang dami oh. Sobra. Busog na busog ka dito. Photocard. Oh, I didn't count. Let's segregate this later. Oh, ha?
Oh, no.
So, it's like, mag-uno daw. So, where will I put this one? Because I have my own, the plain one lang. Kasi mahilig ako sa plain. Should I put it here?
Other one.
The other one daw, sabi ng friend ko. Sinasuggest ng friend ko.
Yes.
Okay. Let's pick this later. Because there are so many of them. Okay. So, kailangan may separate siya para talaga siya dito. Okay. Let's do it later.